Hello, teacher.
How are you today?
Thank you, and you.
I'm good. What's your name?
My name is but you can call me Anna.
Okay, Anna, how are you today? And how old are you?
I'm 9 years old.
9 years old. Okay. Can you tell me how many people are there in your family?
There are 3 people in my family. There are my mom, my dad, my grandpa, my grandma, my aunt, my sister, and me.
Okay, very good. So what food do you want? I like
I like shrimp.
shrimps. Okay. And what color do you like?
I like pink.
Pink. Okay. Today we will start our speaking test. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Remember to speak what? Clearly, okay?
Yeah.
And then, now, these are the couple of things that we need to answer. Okay, now find the differences between the two pictures. I'm gonna make it bigger. Ready? Go. Picture one.
In picture 1, the bus is yellow, but in picture 2, the bus is red. In picture 1, there are 2 cows, but in picture 2, there are 3 cows. In picture 1, the weather is cloudy, but in picture 2, the weather is sunny. In picture 1, the boat is falling off the back, but in picture 2, the scarf is falling off the back. In picture 1, the farmer is laying under the tree, but in picture 2, the farmer is sitting under the tree.
Very good, Anna. Good job. Okay. So this time, let's do the odd one now. So you have to find which one is different. Okay? So let's start with line 1. Go.
In line 1,
Number 3.
number 3 is different because
It's
other pictures are fruit, but in line 2,
Picture.
picture number 2 is different because
the color.
the color in other picture is
What's the color? Because the color of the penguin.
color of the penguin is black and white. In
Other pictures.
other pictures are brown.
Brown. Okay, yes.
In my 3, picture 4 is different because picture 4 the girl is drinking juice. Other picture are washing.
Good job. Next line. Line 4.
In line 4, the picture 3 is different because in the picture 3 the boy is playing football outside, but other picture
They are
they are indoor.
inside. Okay, indoors or inside. Okay, good job. Next, Anna. Let's move on. So here, you have to make a story through these pictures, okay? This story is all about Claire's birthday. Alright? Are you ready? Okay, let's start.
Today is Claire's birthday.
Claire's.
Claire's birthday. She is going home and think about her present and present cake. But then she is in the kitchen and asking her mom where are my presents? And her mom said there are no presents. Claire is sad.
Okay. I guess that's it. No more. We are finished. Thank you so much, Anna. Have a nice day.